We had another trading day today. Let's go over it. So happy Monday. Dude, I sound like a school teacher, bro. I swear the Eagles won the Super Bowl. Kind of expected that to happen. It is what it is. You guys don't care. Let's talk about the trading. We ended up taking one trade today. Spoiler alert, as you guys see it on the screen. I didn't really want to take anything else, and I'm gonna be going over some of my I was gonna say rule news, but okay, new rules that I put in place over the weekend and stuff that I'm gonna be following. And I kind of went back on last week and kind of noticed that I was taking a lot of trades without like a liquidity sweep. It was more of I was taking a trade, waiting for price to reach a certain point, or waiting for price to, like get like I would be entering, like, for example, I would have took a short. To be honest, there was a perfect short opportunity at market open right here based off this that I didn't want to take, because then price decided to make a move higher, manipulate higher, and then make a move to the downside after that. So that's literally what ended up happening today. I'm really happy with myself that I was able to hold discipline through this entire spot today. That was my biggest test of the day, and I stuck through. I said, hey, I told myself that I'm not going to make a move on the market until we take out this London high or this London low. Obviously, we never touched this London low, but we did touch this London high, and obviously we didn't go in the right direction that we wanted price to go. But it is what it is, bro. Stuff like that's going to happen. If we take a look at ES, ES just recently came by, took out this London high right here at 9:30. Once price took out this London high, we had our first, I guess. Well, is this a break of structure? Yeah. I mean, you had a really decent entry to go to the downside right here on ES. Obviously, I didn't take it, but I think I would have been stopped out on this. Yeah, there's no way I don't get stopped out on that. M2K also, let's go over it really quickly. M2K actually had a pretty decent look to the upside that I almost wanted to take, but there was way too much chop, dude, and it just almost made me sit out of it. So let's go over the move on M2K that I want to take. I literally wanted to enter long. Let's go over this. So realistically on M2K right here, we have this 2 minute. This is what I realistically wanted to enter long based of. Obviously price in the 2 minute didn't close inside of it at all. We actually completely ran through and inversed that jaunt. It is what it is. I wanted to go long based off that. If I decided to do that, stops, I mean, being realistic, dude, I'm not going to get stopped out here. But the thing is, my price target, I mean, we might still be in this trade. We might have exited a contract. I'm not sure, but just very, very, very low volume today, bro. That's really what I'm trying to get here and show. Regardless, let's move into the trade that I took today. So, like I said, I've been waiting for price to come up and sweep a high or low. Obviously, we saw that right here. The second that price ended up doing that, we ended up having a 1 minute breaker with this candle right here, breaking structure to the downside. Obviously, at this point, we still haven't filled this fair value gap to the upside, but we already broke structure to the downside. And also with this candle, we inversed this as well. So I waited an extra minute. I waited for price to create a fair value gap right here. The second price did. I ended up entering right here. I got filled right here. Not much of a big difference. Regardless, it is what it is. I ended up having my take profit one right down here. The second that price came here, I bought one contract, sold off, and then I shouldn't click this because I'm not locked out, but I ended up buying one contract right here to go to or I ended up taking off one contract right here, and then kept two contracts into here. At one point, I mean, this could have been a way better trade. Obviously, I didn't get it the way I wanted it, but it is what it is, bro. Some days are just gonna be like this, bro, and there's nothing you could do about it. I thought this was a pretty realistically free short. I'm pretty happy that I was able to walk away with it with a win and not a loss. Obviously, this prevented a loss, so that's why we have this strategy in play. It is what it is, though, boys. I'm pretty happy about today's outcome. There is a little bit of surprise news tomorrow, so once I saw that, I wasn't too happy, but it is what it is, boys. We're making some progress now in the right direction for sure. definitely needed that losing week last week because we learned a lot, especially with waiting for price to take out liquidity and all that. Like, dude, I have not been doing that, and I totally should have. I was taking way worse trades than I should have, and yesterday or last week shouldn't really have went the way it went. Let's go back over and let's take a look at Forex Factory now, because this is the other thing I want to go into, because what the is this, bro? Fed Chair Powell testifies at 9 a.m. tomorrow. I don't know what he's going to be talking about, but whatever he talks about is going to make a huge effect on the stock market. So tomorrow might not even be good at all. I'm not even sure what the hell is going to happen. I am going to wait for definitely for the news. I don't know how long this news is. Can we do some digging? Like, bro, how long is this whole event? Because you know when he talks for a minute, bro. So let's try to figure out what the hell is going on. Due to testify, how often does this happen? Before the Senate? I don't know, dude. Okay, so I'm trying to like see what this is. But see, this could lead to heavy market, dude. Like, this is terrible. Since the questions are not known beforehand, they're unscripted, bro. Like, dude, this is going to be terrible. I don't know how long this is going to be going on for, but like, dude, 9 a.m., bro. Like, the last time we had this was on July 10th, 2024. It's a 2-day event? Whoa, 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 wait, 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 wait. 2-day event. Bro! What? Dude. Bro, the next 2 days are going to be garbage. We might be paper trading until Thursday, boys. Bro, are you serious? Dude, that is a really rough way, man. Oh my gosh. I just found that out live on video, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Are you serious? Are you serious? Jerome Powell, bro? It's a 2-day event? Oh, man. Boys, I don't know what to do about tomorrow. I don't know what to do about Wednesday. It doesn't look too great. Doesn't look too great at all. It is what it is, boys. We'll see what happens tomorrow. I guess it's going to be a very interesting day, but definitely that's a big surprise. Was not expecting that. Wow. So CPI and this, bro, this is like, dude, this is terrible, bro. And this was not supposed to exist, bro, because I could show this. I think this is put into the Discord, but if I look, yeah. Oh no, it wasn't yesterday. All right, regardless, it wasn't there last week, and I promise that. So, other than that though, boys, I will catch you on the next one. There's no point in me dragging this on any longer. Not much has happened today. And we will check back in tomorrow. We will see if we even trade tomorrow or Wednesday, bro, cuz this is ballistic. What the hell? And then we got President's Day next month. I got